Today we are taking it back to basics. Design 101, the dining room. We chose this home because of its gorgeous palette. It's got these natural wood floors, white walls, and beautiful MDF panels done in a contemporary design. The living room and dining room are a combined open space. So first, decide which area you want to use as your living room and which area you want to use as your dining room. And most of the time, the answer is right in front of you. The chandelier is a good indication of where your dining table should sit. Decide how many chairs you can fit at your table. If your dining room is larger than 10 by 12 feet, you should consider using a rectangle table like we did, and use 8 chairs around the table. So key point, the more seating you have, the better. So you want to use the space to its maximum potential, but you don't want to clutter the room. So be mindful of the size of your chairs relative to your table. Consider using glass top tables if you have dark floors. This makes the space feel more open, and if the floors are light color like ours is, a dark table can add a nice contrast to the room. Depending on the layout and size of your room, I'd say go big and go bold. A voluptuous chair is always attractive in a dining room. It allows family and friends to linger after a great meal. So we didn't use a rug in this room just because the living and the dining room were so close together, we felt like it's gonna overcrowd. But providing you do have the space for a rug in your dining room, I would go with something light and neutral because it can either lighten up a dark room or add some warmth to a light room. So try to keep your rug just long enough that the back of your chairs are sitting 2 to 3 inches inside of your rug. In a dining setting, you're looking at a minimum of 8 by 10 for the size of your rug. We kept it clean and neutral with our trio of greenery arrangements. Because of the hanging light fixture, we decided to do a low profile arrangement on the table so it doesn't stop the eye. Instead, our low ceramic bowls allow us to create a continuous flow throughout the room. Keep in mind, though these bowls sit low, they are each large statement pieces. Thank you guys for joining our 2-minute tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our page. And if you haven't already, check us out on Instagram @SanazDesign_interiors. We'll see you next time.